We had 11 meetings, and we booked follow-up meetings with 10 of those and for next week. And to travel around the country individually to meet with each one of these people, and first of all, even identifying the right people to meet with, would have been months of work, if not a year. So it really compressed it. And again, it put us in front of people that we normally wouldn't even be in front of. So I thought super efficient. I thought it was great. I really did. We, first of all, had the opportunity to meet with companies that we normally wouldn't be sitting across from. I thought that the format of half-hour meetings was great. We both parties knew why we were there in the first place, so we were able to get to know each other and get right down to business and schedule follow-ups. So I just thought the whole format was great. First of all, before the event was great. We had 3 meetings within a short period of time, but each one was informative and helped us prepare for the event. And then here, they were amazing. I mean, there were so many people from Marcus Evans available and willing to help, and if someone happened to have a flight issue, and so they filled in the gap with another meeting, and not only that, but they were just great to socialize with also, so it was very nice. Normally either at a large industry function for the business that we're in or a trade show, you first of all don't know who's showing up if you have a booth, and you could spend a lot of money on that booth and wind up not meeting anyone that's you have synergy with. So there's that, and where here you're matched up basically, and the people you're sitting with have chosen you, and you've chosen them for the most part. And then really it's just more quality time, I think. You're forced together for 48 hours, and you can't help but become friendly with people, and so that was my experience, especially between the social event last night and the meals, and all the in-between were just as valuable as the actual meetings. It is over 100-year-old, third going on fourth generation family-owned company that supplies high-end added value folding cartons and secondary packaging, primarily to the health and beauty and cosmetics industry. We manufacture in the US, but we also have partners in Germany, and we ship all over the world.